Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you love the outdoors like I do in the summer, you don't want all of the bugs that come with sitting outside. So these natural citronella and soy candles from Coast to Coast are just a lovely element to add to your outdoor summer evenings. What I really love about them is that they came in nice, beautiful glass amber jars. I got the 4-pack and it's the 8 ounces, and they have a nice slow burn. I've already burned these for about an hour and a half each, and you can see it's barely touched the surface. As I mentioned, you're getting a nice soy candle rather than chemicals, and you're also getting the natural citronella oils to keep those bugs away. They work really well. They look lovely outside at night when it's getting a little bit dark and you have that amber glow from the candles. And I just really am grateful and appreciative that it came in such a beautiful design with natural ingredients. So loving these candles from Coast to Coast, and that's my point of view.